This is the diagrammatic representation of exchange of air. Before we go to this diagram, we must know what is the partial pressure. As we know, the exchange of gases takes place with the process of by the process of the diffusion. And diffusion is mainly based on the pressure gradient or the concentration gradient of the gases. The individual pressure which exerted by the individual gas in a mixture of gases is known as partial pressure. The pressure which is exerted by the individual gases in a mixture of gases, it is known as partial pressure. It is represented as PO2 or PCO2. PO2 means partial pressure of oxygen, PCO2 means partial pressure of the carbon dioxide. Now come to this diagram. When the deoxygenated blood, that is blood which contains carbon dioxide, when the deoxygenated blood diffuse into the blood vessels, or when the vena cava or the systematic veins carries the deoxygenated blood from the cells to the right part of the heart. Through systematic veins, the deoxygenated blood enters into the right auricle, then it enters into the right ventricle. Then through pulmonary artery, the deoxygenated blood enters into the lungs. Inside the lungs, the carbon dioxide is released out and oxygen is mixes with the blood. Now, the oxygenated blood through pulmonary vein, it enters into the left auricle of the heart. Then through left auricle, it enters into the left ventricle. Then through aorta, the oxygenated blood enters into the body tissues, where the oxygen combined with glucose and oxidation of food occurs to produce energy. Then again carbon dioxide is released, which again mixes with the blood. In this way, the exchange of air or the movement of air occurs between the lungs and the heart. So this is the systematic representation of the air, or how the air is exchanged between the lungs and the tissue. Thank you.